As Nitish Kumar's JDU has called for modifications to the controversial Agniveer scheme, JDU leader KC Tyagi said there is resentment against the recruitment scheme for the armed forces across several states. Opposition parties had promised to scrap the Agniveer scheme if voted to power.
अग्निवीर योजना को लेकर के मतदाताओं के एक हिस्से में नाराजगी रही है। हमारी पार्टी चाहती है कि विस्तार से उन कमियों खामियों को दूर किया जाए, जिसको लेकर के जनता ने सवाल उठाए।
मैं समझता हूं अग्निवीर व्यवस्था तुरंत खत्म होनी चाहिए। सरकार को स्वीकार करना चाहिए कि उनकी गलती है कि उन्हें अग्निवीर जैसी व्यवस्था नहीं लानी चाहिए, और न केवल अग्निवीर व्यवस्था खत्म होनी चाहिए बल्कि बहुत से नौजवान जिनको रोजगार नहीं मिल पाया, फौज में जाना चाहते थे, उन्हें उम्र की छूट भी देनी चाहिए।
Akhilesh Yadav and other leaders there against the Agniveer scheme. Shivani Bajaj joins us from Nitish Kumar's residence in the capital. Shivani, the JDU has made its views clear on the Agniveer scheme, which has been a political hot potato since its inception. What else is the JDU likely to seek?
Well, absolutely. The JDU, which is playing kingmaker for the NDA government, has spoken against the controversial Agniveer scheme. Even though the party is reiterating its unconditional support to the NDA government, they are in a way seeking a review of the Agniveer scheme for recruitment into the rank and file of the Indian Armed Forces. JDU's stand on the Agniveer scheme also stems from the understanding that the controversial scheme of recruitment in Indian Armed Forces in a way impacted the election results for NDA. A big segment of youth, especially in the Hindi heartland in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, were very upset with the government's Agniveer scheme, and hence there was palpable discontent against the government on this matter. And the JDU clearly is trying to address that. Now, another matter where there could be disagreement is the Uniform Civil Code, the UCC. Even though the JDU has clarified that it is not opposed to the UCC, it believes that proper consultations should be held with all relevant stakeholders in this matter. Now, JDU stand on the caste-based census, the special status to Bihar, and of course the ministries that the party is eyeing will be crucial in the lead-up to the government formation by the BJP and the NDA. And these big issues can become tricky for the government in the future. But for now, JDU says that its support to NDA is unconditional, and all the issues can be worked out during the course of the government's next 5 years. Back to you.
Shivani, many thanks. On to CNBC TV 18.